Hey guys, welcome back to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a Pottery Barn and Williams-Sonoma haul. I'm very excited to share these items with you. As most of you know, if you've been following me for a while, I live near outlet malls of both of these places, although everything purchased at Williams-Sonoma was actually purchased on their clearance site online. So you guys are, if they haven't sold out, will be easily able to get any of the Williams-Sonoma items except for a couple things that I did find at the outlet mall. I am very excited to share this haul with you. I have not shopped here in quite a while. As I've gotten older, I'm getting more into cooking. I just decided, it's time to just upgrade everything. So you guys are gonna see a big kitchen declutter and reorganization because I'm getting more and more of these items in. So let's jump right into the haul. I'm excited to share that with you. The first item that I want to share with you guys, I'm going to go Pottery Barn first, and then I'm going to go to the Williams-Sonoma. These are the Williams-Sonoma items out in front of me. The Pottery Barn items, well, I have a really funny story about one Pottery Barn item that I'm very disappointed about, so I'm going to share that with you guys. But I got two large items from Pottery Barn, so those items are too large. I will insert clips of those items as well. The first thing I want to share with you guys is this gorgeous wooden clock that I got from Pottery Barn. It's very oversized and very nice quality. So I'm going to insert a picture of that right now. All right, you guys saw that I put that wooden clock up on my gallery wall. I was trying to the plan with that wall was to always elongate it just to bring your eye up so that you can enjoy the higher ceilings in that room. That is the tallest of the ceilings in our home. So I have an idea. There's going to be added two more items over to the left-hand side, and then that wall will 100% be complete. But the clock, I can tell you that 3 people came behind me looking for that clock. It was sitting towards the front of the store. I saw it. I walked by. I thought, oh, I just don't know. Do I want it? They were running 50% off. The clock was $200 and I got 50% off. So I paid $100 for it. And it just caught my eye. And so I went back and I told my husband, Jeff, I was like, we really need to get the clock. So I grabbed it, and then 3 other people came behind looking for it again. So I'm so glad I picked it up. It is absolutely the nicest quality and it's so nice. I'm going to try to find the link on their website. I have no idea what the price is on the current website. Again, I only paid $100 for it. It was already marked down to $200 at the outlet, and then they were doing an additional 50%. I will definitely make sure and see if I can link that, but I was definitely excited for that find. The second item I found was kind of a random find as well. I've never seen this in the Pottery Barn outlet, but they were running an additional 60% off of their rugs. And anytime they run that sale, if you live near a Pottery Barn outlet, go run to that sale because it is the best sale to get the best price on their nice quality high-end wool rugs. Well, I was going back there originally looking for a rug for my guest bathroom, and I looked down and they had they're called wellness mats, but it's basically like a kitchen rug. And it was a really long one. And I've been trying to buy one of those for my kitchen island forever because I wanted the rug to extend the length of the island all the way across, under the dishwasher and the sink and all that. And every time I've looked, they've been way too high priced for me. So I looked down and I saw this rug. It was the perfect color, the perfect basket weave texture. And I'm gonna insert a picture of it right now so you guys can see it. I was very excited to find that mat. So those were the 2 really nice items. Now here's the funny story. Well, it's not really funny, but it's kind of a random story. I went and bought a set of sheets because bedding was 50% off too. And I wanted to try to have a second set of sheets in our master bedroom. And I picked up these sheets. They were gray and white, checkered. And I bought 2 pillow shams. So they were in a bag, and my husband was like, I'm gonna go run these items to the car before we walk over to the Williams-Sonoma outlet. And I said, okay, great. Well, we get home, and I'm like, where's the bag of the sheets? And he's like, I don't know. He's like, I don't know. I think I left them. So basically what we think happened, because he 100% carried them to the car, was that he carried them to the car, and as he was putting the clock in, he set the bag down, obviously behind the car or on the side of the car, we don't know, loaded the clock and the mat into the car, and never put the sheets in the car. So somebody got a free set of King gray and white checkered sheets. I don't know. Hopefully they are very blessed by those sheets, but they were really nice. I don't think I'm going to go back and repurchase those, but we'll see. We do need another set of sheets, or I'd like to have one more set. I like to have an additional, just 2 sets of sheets per bed, but we'll see. Anyway, I had to share that with you guys. So those were that would have been the 3 items that I would have bought at Pottery Barn Outlet. So I'm going to move right into my Williams-Sonoma haul. I'm going to do the outlet first because these are items that we did find at the outlet mall. I will link them down below because I'm sure they're on their website as well. But Jensen saw this little, and I guess, I don't know, maybe I should open this because you guys aren't really going to be able to tell. So let me open it up here. This was only $10 because it was, no, $12 because it was 40% off. This is the cutest little, look at this, guys. He wanted a Mickey Mouse apron, and I couldn't resist it. He loves Mickey, and so I had to get it for him. Like I said, it was only $12. He picked it out, but I wanted to share that if you've got any little guys, grandchildren, whatever, this would be a great gift. So that is the first thing I got from the outlet. The second thing I got from the outlet was a new cheese, like a grater, I guess, not really, just it's a box grater. And this was marked down to $39.99 and 50% off. So I paid $20 for this, but it's really, really high quality. I don't know if you can, I don't know how close I can put that up to the camera, but it has all different kinds of options on it. I guess maybe I should have opened this up to share with you guys what exactly it looks like underneath here. Well, I'll make sure to link it down below so you guys can see all the different things. You can kind of tell it's got blue over it. Oh, I got this. This was an outlet find too. I thought this was super cool. It's a can strainer, and it was $6.99 and 50% off. So you put this on top of a can, because every time I open a can, I'm always having to keep the top to drain it. And I thought, this is absolutely perfect. It just fits right on a can, and you can drain it and strain, you know, black beans is a lot of times I drain that, corn and things like that. So I thought this was super cool. I'll definitely make sure to link that down below. And then all of the rest of the items were purchased on Williams-Sonoma's, again, website, but on their clearance section. They do run quite a bit of good clearance if you keep an eye out. But the first thing was this ground meat chopper. I've always wanted one of these. I've seen people use them on YouTube, and I was like, I gotta have one of those. So I literally paid like maybe $9 for this one. It's really nice quality. It is more of a silicone type, but this is more plastic, hard plastic at the bottom. It's great. So I'm very excited to have one of those. The next item is this beautiful bowl with the holes. Like, I can't remember the exact name for this, but I'll use it to strain like fruits and noodles and things like that. It's really nice quality. I think this on their website was $20. I think this was $20. Guys, I don't know the exact prices for these because I don't have an actual receipt. And since it wasn't at the outlet, it wasn't like an additional percentage off, but I'll be making sure to link everything down below. But I believe it was $20 for this one. This is the 7-inch size, but it's really nice quality. I've definitely needed something like this for a long time. The next item is the Angel Food Pan. I needed this. I have my grandmother's old one, but it has worn, and just kind of the sides and the inside has like, it's rubbed off. So I really needed a new one of these because I love to cook angel food cake. This actually was not, these items, their pans and things like that are quite pricey from Williams-Sonoma. I just really like the quality of them. So this pan was $34.99. I'm hoping to have these items for a very, very long time. The next items that I got were these biscuit cutters. I have gotten into wanting to cook homemade biscuits. I don't know what it is. I've just really gotten into that. These, for this set, you can see they come in all different sizes. I paid $19.99 for this set right here. So I'm excited to use those. My next item that I got from Williams-Sonoma are these beautiful towels. And I guess, again, I probably should have opened these up. They're really, really nice quality towels. You guys can see those. And they come in different, this one says Williams-Sonoma on it. I didn't really care for that, but I just thought I liked the gray and white of those, very neutral colors for the kitchen. So these were, if you got this color, I believe these were discounted by about $10 or $15. But again, I'll be making sure to link these down below. And then the next thing that I was really excited about, was this set of cookie sheets. And I have never had a cookie like cooling rack like this. I don't know why I've never bought one of those, because we love making cookies, but I just never have done that. So this entire set was $47 on clearance. So you get 2 cookie sheets and then you get the cooling rack to go with it. And I'm very excited about these cookie sheets because, again, the quality of these, because I already had a cake pan that was made out of this Gold Touch, and I'm going to pull this out just so you guys can see it. I guess I should have been more prepared for that. But so here's the cooling rack. And they call it their Gold Touch line, which I've seen it at the outlet, but they didn't have the cookie sheets there. But you can see they have like a nice edge to pull the pan out. It says Williams-Sonoma on it, but it's just really heavy and just really, really nice quality. So I'm hoping to have these for a really, really long time, because cookie sheets is something that I've had to replace just over and over and over, because you guys know they just get worn out. So I'm very excited to have those, and I really highly recommend this Gold Touch line, because I do have other items that I purchased. I just didn't do a haul because it was like one item, but I absolutely love them. All right, well, that is it for my haul. I felt like I talked a little bit too much through this haul, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very realistic. I should have opened my items before. I apologize about that. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. And if you are new here, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below, because I love getting to know you guys and talking. And I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And as always, much love. Bye.